Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 7, week 3, day 4 of your KAM blueprints. This story for the week, If You Give a Pig a Pancake. Theme concept. Characters find unique ways to solve problems. Strategy. To question. So as you're reading a story, what questions do you have? Skill, fantasy, and realism. Okay, yesterday we used our stretchers, so today I'm going to say the sounds and you're going to tell me the word. So first one, n, I, t, word. Next one, h, ah, p, word. K, I, k, word. L, e, m, p, word. And n, ow, word. Good. Okay, let's move. It is Thursday, so we're not going to do our letter names. We're going to move straight on to our regular words. Here we go. My turn word tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. Your turn word. Spell tall. And word. My turn word old. O-L-D. Old. Your turn word. Spell old. And word. My turn word peace. P-I-E-C-E. Peace. Your turn word. Spell peace. And word. My turn word idea. I-D-E-A. Idea. Your turn word. Spell idea. And word. My turn word water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Your turn word. Spell water. And word. My turn word favorite. F-A-V-O-R-I-T-E. Favorite. Your turn word. Spell favorite. And word. My turn word most. M-O-S-T. Most. Your turn word. Spell most. And word. My turn word give. G-I-V-E. Give. Your turn word. Spell give. And word. Great job. Let's move on to our letter sounds. So remember, this week we're focusing on the IE, which is going to make that long I sound, or the IGH, which also makes that long I sound. Okay. So when you see this one, when I say sound, you should say I. Sound. I. That's right. Sound. Sound. sound, 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 sound. Okay, we'll be on day 4. I'll blend the first one with you. Sound, sound. Oh, I forgot to say s. And then this says sound is E, that long E sound. Blend. That's right, C. Sound, sound, blend, sound, blend, sound, blend, word. So you should have said s, e, n, d, word, send. Good job. Sound. Ooh, that EA, it's going to make that long E sound. And then that CH, ch. Blend, each. Word, each. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Long O. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. So this is 3 syllables. Did you read e, n, v, a, l, o, p? So blend it together. Envelope. That was a tricky one, you guys. Great job. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. So first syllable, mu. Second syllable, sick. Blend, music. Great job. You rock.